Hello friends, now I had explained you all the degrees, okay? Positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degrees, right? And one or two examples also I had given. Today we will be going with a few more examples for each degree. I'll share with you and then we will finish off the degrees. After that, if any problems, then I'll give you some exercises. Okay, let's start. So, now let us take the positive degree first and we will change that into comparative. This book is as thick as that one. This book is as thick as that one, or that, both are correct. So this is which degree sentence? This is positive degree. Go with the structure as. This is the adjective and as. So this is the positive degree sentence. Okay. And as I told you that after selecting going with the structure and deciding which degree it is, what are we going to do now? As I told you, for easy transformation, let us name this book as subject or noun 1 and that one as subject 2. Now, when these two will be the beginning of the sentence, okay? So, what are we saying? That one is the book. So, we can say that book. That book is not thick is the adjective. We add er to the word or adjective thick. So this book is not thicker than, has to be there, than this one. Here this one means the book. What is our transformation? Positive degree. This book is as thick as that one, means that book is not thicker than this one. Now you would say, madam, if we keep it as it is and only change the adjective, so our construction will be how? This book is not thicker than that one, because you are only concentrating on the word, that is the adjective, which is to be changed in comparative degree. But then it would become wrong. Why? Because the given sentence is telling you that this book and that book both are equally thick. Right? Now, if you write that book or this book is thicker than that one. This book is thicker than that one. If we write, then the meaning of our given sentence changes. First we are saying that this book is as thick as that one, and then when changing we are saying that this book is thicker than that one. So given sentence, the meaning changes, and in transformation we have to change the sentence in another way without changing the meaning. Meaning should be intact. So this is wrong here. Okay? So this is positive degree sentence into comparative. Let us take a comparative degree. A tiger can run faster than a dog. A tiger can run faster than a dog. ER than. So this is which degree? Comparative degree. Okay. Let us take it as positive degree. Tiger is first noun. Dog is second noun. We being a dog in the first place. So, and when we are interchanging the sentence, the subjects or the noun, then what are we to? We have to add a negation, that is not. So, a dog can is there. So, we will make cannot or can't. Anything is correct. A dog cannot run so fast, okay, as a tiger. A dog cannot run so fast as a tiger. Negation is there, that's why so adjective as. A dog cannot run so fast as a tiger. So we have interchanged the subject or the noun. Tiger in first place goes in the second place. Dog in second place comes in the first place. And not negation is there, so fast. And then fast, the adjective becomes in the positive degree. So this is a positive degree sentence. Comparative changed into positive. Here. Now, comparative degree, ER is there and more is also there. Let us take more. My sister is more caring than me. My sister is more caring than me. Caring means she is very cautious, she takes very everything proper care of everything. She is perfect in the things, arrangements and all. That is caring. Okay. So my sister is more caring than me. This is which degree? More is comparative degree and than is there, so understood it is comparative degree. Now first is noun or subject is sister and second is for me. Now me, when I change the degree, initially we cannot start with me. Me means I, so beginning of the sentence will be I. So I am, negation has to be there. I am not so caring as my sister. This is what? This is with more a comparative degree sentence. And that we have changed into negative as so adjective as into positive degree. Okay? So this is what we have in comparative degree. We have ER and more plus than plus adjective plus than, and positive degree also I have shown you as per our structure as adjective as, and when it becomes not, so adjective as. When we are doing this way, the meaning remains intact and the transformation also takes place. Right? Okay. Now let me take superlative degree. Superlative degree sentences, we have two forms. One is the est, that is the plus adjective plus est, and the other one is one of the est plus adjective or one of the most. Okay, let us see. The physics teacher teaches or is the teacher. The physics teacher is the best teacher. What does this sentence say? So many teachers are there. But among them, who is the one? The physics teacher is the best teacher. Means like him, no one teaches. Or so, what do we say? The EST. So sentence will start with no other teacher is so, what is the positive degree? Good as, no other teacher is so good as, the has to be there because our sentence has started with, we are specifying the physics teacher. So, the physics teacher. Clear? No other teacher is so good as the physics teacher. So adjective as. This is which degree? This is positive degree. Same sentence if we make it comparative degree, then the physics teacher. I told you, if you remember in our discussion, that the superlative degree and the comparative degree beginning is same. So, the physics teacher is, what is good? Comparative, better. Is better than any other teacher. Physics teacher is better than any other teacher means no other teacher is there who is so good as the physics teacher. And that's why the physics teacher is the best. So this way also the chain goes. Okay? And the EST, if it is, then our positive degree starts with no other. No one is there as him. So he is the EST. And comparative degree sentence ends with any other. Wherever in these two words you have to remember. Wherever positive degree is with no other, then comparative degree will be with any other. When in which case, when superlative degree is the EST. Okay? Ayurveda is one of the best form of treating, or one of the best form of medicine. Ayurveda is one of the best form of medicine. So, Ayurveda, first subject, which degree? Earlier it was the EST. Here it is one of the EST. Okay. So, Ayurveda is one of the best form of medicine. Form of medicine, let us take it as second subject. So, no, very few forms, because few is plural, so forms, very few forms of medicine are plural, are as good as Ayurveda. Very few forms of medicine are as good as Ayurveda. Here it is form. So very few, then forms. Now what does this sentence say? Among so many, one forms of medicine: allopathic, then Unani, Ayurveda, homeopathy. These are different forms of medicine. But among them, one is Ayurveda, and that is good. Okay, so but it is not the only one. Few are there which are as good as Ayurveda. Comparative degree will be what? As we told, same it will start. Ayurveda is good, better, best. Comparative degree is better than many other forms of medicine. Ayurveda is better than many other forms of medicine. Okay, so very few, wherever it is there, when it is one of the EST, superlative degree, your positive degree will start with very few and comparative degree will end with many other. Here very few, many other, and there no other is any other. So these things if you remember, you will never make mistakes. Clear? So another I would like to share in superlative degree is the most. Certain words I told you where we do not add est to the adjectives, but what do? We add most. So what do we say? My father is the most honest. Honester, honestest we don't say. So my father is the most honest, business businessman. My father is the most honest businessman. Most honest. No one is like him. So what do we say? Here first subject, this is the adjective, okay, and this is second subject. So the most means no one is there. So same we say, no other businessman is so honest as first subject, my father. No other businessman is so honest as my father. No negation, so. Okay? And this is positive degree. Comparative degree will be same. My father is more, wherever most is there, comparative degree will be more. My father is more honest than the most. So, than any other businessman. My father is more honest than any other businessman. Clear? Same sentence if we say that my father is one of the, if I say my father is, my father is one of the most honest businessman. My father is one of the most honest businessman. Then here sentence will again change. One of the, in place of no other, what we will say? Very few. Very few. Few will be countable. So here man will become men. Very few businessmen, plural, because few then is will become are. Very few businessmen men are. So will be for negative. So as. Many few businessmen are as honest as my father. Saw the change? In place of so, it became as. In place of is, it became are. And in case of the no other, it became very few. Okay? And same here also, my father is more honest, beginning will be same, than. Here in place of any other, it will be many other businessmen. This is many is plural, so businessmen. My father is more honest than many other businessmen. So here I have shown you all the forms of the degrees, positive to comparative, comparative to positive, with er, with more, then so so adjective as adjective as, and now the superlative degree also, one of the, est, and the, most. All the forms I have explained together, and I hope it's clear to you. Thank you for watching the video, and if you minutely go through, I have tried my level best to make you understand. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day.